All right, now scrape quietly, Lizzie. Very quietly scrape. Shh. All right, so.
Very quiet.
Very quiet.
Wabbits.
Those wabbits, those wascally wabbits. Okay, so these things, I have no idea when they were serviced last, but I guarantee you it's been at least a couple of years. So we're going to work on these variant 23 winches. This is where the small screwdriver comes in. You gotta get underneath there. Pop that guy up. Ooh. Ooh. This is supposed to just be so easy. They made it look so easy on the internet.
Of course they do.
There it is. There we go. Is it gonna start raining on us now? It's just like, surprise, rain time.
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, what did I do with my little? What did I do with my little makeshift rag that I made? So. This thing should pop off. Look at that guy go. This should lift up. Yeah. This part, I think, comes off.
It's coming.
Yeah.
See anything?
There.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of gunk in there.
Yeah. Sure is. I don't know. That thing is supposed to come off somehow, I thought, but maybe not. Oh, it's so dirty in there. Ooh, boy.
Yummy.
Yeah. Now, I want you to know, every video that I've seen, the bearings have actually stayed on this shaft, but
Your bearings are
there we go.
just a little sticky.
Yep. There's the other. Now, I will say, they look pretty good.
Man, YouTube doesn't have smell-o-vision too. It's pretty fragrant. Not in a bad way, just it's fragrant.
Smell-o-vision. Well, Lizzie, you've got a goal now. Invent smell-o-vision for YouTube so that they can smell that carburetor cleaner.
Yeah.
Tell you what, everybody who's watching this video, pause it right now. Pause this video. Go out, buy a can of carburetor cleaner. No, wait, brake cleaner. Is this brake cleaner?
It's brake cleaner.
O'Reilly brake parts cleaner. All right, go out and buy a can, and as you're watching this video, just mist it into the air. What could go wrong? Ooh, look at those fun things doing things. Yeah, just bring the whole thing out. We'll just take it bit by bit. I've got nitrile gloves on. That's probably a good plan. Rah!
Daddy, won't you take me back to Mulenberg County? Down by the Green River, where paradise lay. Well, I'm sorry, son, but you're too late in asking.
Oh yeah, this is looking good now. So good. Now, is there some sort of...
The train came along with the world's largest shovel. They tortured the timber, stripped all the land, and shoveled the coal till the land was forsaken. Wrote it all down as the progress of man. Oh, Daddy, won't you take me back to Mulenberg County, down by the Green River where paradise lay? Well, I'm sorry, son, but you're too late in asking. Mr. Peabody's coal train and all
There's a part of me that really wants to tear into the guts of this thing and see how it works, but there's also a part of me that's like, you know, it's working right now, so let's not jump the gun there. I'll tell you what, already spinning so much easier. I feel like with this wet lube, I'm gonna have to maybe service these a little bit more often, but it's supposed to keep them a lot cleaner than the grease. You can tell the grease really gums stuff up. There it is. There it is. Yeah, it's all gooped up good. Ooh, look at how clean it is. Yeah. For anybody who thinks that bicycle mechanics and boat mechanics don't overlap, got the proof right here. Now, the part that blows me away is apparently you can pay somebody to come out and do this for you. Now, I happen to be looking at a camera, so I can tell you that it is taking me 20 minutes to do this. And so far it seems pretty easy. I'm gonna clean up the inside here a little bit too. This is all bronze, by the way. This thing is just a massive chunk of bronze. It sits on another massive chunk of bronze. There's some bearings in there. Go on. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just want to get like one little side kind of shined up here. I don't know why. I don't know why that's my goal, but I just want to see kind of what it looks like. The ring inside of here. See, we can just add some chain ring to that ring. Now, I was told that you can use this chain lube as a really good substitute for the winch grease, because it doesn't collect as much dirt and everything, so it actually like helps keep your winch running smooth. That said, don't take my word for it if you want to go. Go out, do your own research, come to your own conclusions. Don't believe everything you hear on the internet. And I would say that probably goes double when it's coming from me. That's not fair. I try to be very honest about things. But, you know, I also only vaguely know what I'm doing here. Alright. Clip goes on. Clip goes on, I said. You. Dirty McDerson. And yeah, there we go. Okay. Alright, Lizzie, I want you to come give me a comparative analysis between these two winches. Let's first of all try that one over there.
Head brush.
Don't pass out on me.
I'm not gonna pass out. Just might fall over a little bit. It's all good. Okay. Does it matter which way I turn it?
Do it. Turn it both ways. Go nuts on it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, there's a little lever there on top. You have to pop that. Yep. Yep. There you go. Alright, and then on this one, hold on. There you go. Okay. It's not going to go all the way in, so you just gotta.
Oh, much easier this way.
Much easier.
So much easier. It's about
Okay.
the same the other way, but that's because there's no friction, or not friction, but there's no.
There's like a lot
Yeah.
more leverage, yeah.
Yes.
Sweet.
So much easier.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you. And we have that one little clean spot right there. Look at that. That's so good.